An environmentally friendly home can be good for the earth and your wallet over time. Here are some considerations to make sure your home is as environmentally friendly as possible. First, check out the windows, insulation, and roof. You can easily check out window efficiency by holding up your hand to the pane when you're touring a home. Feel a draft? Heat and cool air could be escaping, and the HVAC will be working overtime to maintain a comfortable temperature. An older roof and poorly insulated walls could also result in heat loss and a less than efficient home. Next, consider how old the appliances are. In general, newer appliances are better for the environment and your bottom line. Most manufacturers now make higher efficiency machines that help keep energy bills down and put less pollution into the air. Not so new appliances? Consider negotiating on the home price to help upgrade. Last, understand that small changes can lead to big impact. Investing in big-ticket environmental features are great if you can afford them. But simple changes can also add up over time. Update to energy-efficient bulbs, do laundry using cold water, and install water-saving shower heads. These small fixes will decrease your environmental footprint and energy bill over time. Talk with your real estate agent and home inspector to learn about your new home's energy and efficiency features. Then check with your mortgage team on how you can afford and finance your new home, including any environmental upgrades you might want. The Summit Federal Credit Union Mortgage Team is ready to help you find your dream home. Get started today.